Welcome to another exciting video on our channel. Are you tired of constantly feeling like time is slipping away from you? Do you want to organize your life better and finally achieve all your goals? In this video, I'll show you how to set priorities and be more productive with effective time management strategies. Stay tuned because these tips could change your life. Time management is the key to a fulfilling life. Many of us often feel stressed and overwhelmed because we feel like there isn't enough time to get everything done. But the truth is, we all have the same amount of time. It's just about how we use it. Let's start with the first strategy, prioritizing. Effective time management begins with knowing what truly matters. Take a few minutes every morning to make a list of the day's most important tasks. This list should contain no more than 5 items. Focus on completing these tasks first. A practical example of this is the Eisenhower matrix. This method helps you sort tasks by their importance and urgency. Draw a square and divide it into 4 quadrants like urgent and important, not urgent but important, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Prioritize your tasks accordingly. Another effective method is time blocking. This technique involves dividing your day into different blocks of time where you focus on specific tasks. For example, you can reserve the morning for creative work and the afternoon for administrative tasks. It's also essential to schedule breaks. Studies show that regular breaks boost our productivity and creativity. Schedule a short break every 90 minutes to refresh your mind and recharge. Multitasking may sound appealing, but it's often counterproductive. Research shows that our brains can't effectively handle multiple tasks simultaneously. Focus on one task at a time and complete it thoroughly before moving on to the next. Another tip is to minimize distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer and create a quiet work environment. If you get distracted easily, you can try techniques like the Pomodoro method, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a short break. An essential aspect of time management is also the ability to say no. Many of us take on too many commitments because we don't want to disappoint anyone. But to be productive and happy, we need to learn to set boundaries and reserve our time for things that truly matter. Self-reflection also plays a big role in effective time management. Take a few minutes at the end of the day to reflect on your successes and challenges. What worked well? Where can you improve? This reflection helps you adjust your strategies and continuously grow. A practical example of good time management is the American writer and entrepreneur, Tim Ferriss. In his book, The 4-Hour Workweek, he describes how he drastically reduced his working hours by focusing on truly important tasks and delegating unnecessary ones. His methods are inspiring and show that it's possible to achieve more with less work. Another important point is setting realistic goals. Often we fail at time management because we take on too much. Set clear, achievable goals and celebrate your successes no matter how small. This will motivate you and help you stay on track. Technology can also help us improve our time management. There are many apps and tools that support us in planning our tasks and boosting our productivity. Some popular options are Trello, Asana, and Todoist. Experiment with different tools and find out which one works best for you. Another practical tip is to keep a journal. Every evening, note down what you accomplished during the day and what you want to achieve tomorrow. This helps you keep track and monitor your progress. Don't forget to make time for yourself. Self-care isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Regularly schedule time for hobbies, exercise, and relaxation. This will help you maintain your balance and better handle stressful phases. It's also helpful to have a mentor or coach who supports you and gives feedback. A mentor can help you recognize your strengths and weaknesses and guide you on your journey to better time management. Another strategy is creating a weekly overview. Plan not only your day, but also your week in advance. This helps you get a better overview of your tasks and commitments and organize yourself better. A good example is Benjamin Franklin's weekly plan. He divided his week into various categories like work, auditing, education, and leisure, and ensured he had enough time for each category. His system is still relevant and can help you organize your life better. It's also important to remain flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's okay. Be ready to adjust your plans and find new ways to achieve your goals. Flexibility is a key to successful time management. In closing, I want to emphasize that time management isn't a one-time task, but a continuous process. It requires practice and patience, but the results are worth it. A well-organized life leads to less stress, more productivity, and ultimately more satisfaction and fulfillment. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more tips and strategies for a fulfilling life, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Your support helps us continue creating inspiring and valuable content for you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.